So when we talk of citing a successful borehole, another key factor is the issue of geosurvey. My name is Olagunju. Today I'll be taking you to a site where we drilled a borehole, and we had indication that the survey was not properly done, or what is called probing of the site. This is a church location somewhere in Abeokuta, Nigeria. A geologist actually did this survey, but apparently he didn't do a good job. He did the survey for this, and the survey indicated that we were going to drill 150 meters for this site, expecting that at that point there is good water yield. So we came over. We insisted on doing a new survey or new probing, but the client insisted that what has been done was done very well and that we should go ahead and drill. Now this spot was drilled all the way down to 140 meters level. We even decided to use our own discretion and generosity to give them an extra 10 meters more, making a total of 150 meters drilled. Unfortunately, because the survey was not properly done and the borehole was not properly sited, the customer insisted it should be dug. We got this one done up to 150 meters, and everything was powdered all through. Now, just the same location, this is the same premises of the church. I will not want to embarrass them by mentioning the name. So we went ahead to do a survey just about 20 meters away. We did a survey in the same premises. Come along with me. So a new geologist came in, did a survey of these sites, and when the survey was done, the new survey indicated that the spots to be drilled, the survey indicated that the borehole should be sited somewhere around this neighborhood. You can see that this is the same church premises. There's a church entrance. So all the way, the new survey indicated that the borehole should be drilled at this point. So there is a new point indicated. So here we are. Here, there is it. You can see that is the spot where the new borehole was dug. Let's see if we can get it. Oh, it's been locked up. So this location was drilled to 130 meter level, and we got very high yield that the customer is happy. This has been installed. You can see that after the installation, they ran a pipe through this spot. There is the spot. You can see the broken lines there. The pipe was ran all through this place, all the way down to where the water tank is up there. And then the customer is happy. Everybody is happy today. This borehole has been in existence for about 9 months, and everything is looking fine. So that is the reason why at the beginning of every borehole project there must be a survey or probe of the site by a competent geologist to indicate where there is good water yield. That is key to the success of any borehole project. At the end of the day, when this property was probed, the new site indicated that place I've shown you earlier on. The drilling was done within a period of 3.5-4 hours. At the end of the 4-hour exercise, we got very good yield for that properly surveyed location. And now the customer is happy up with today. There is no complaint about the borehole with very high yield. If you check one of our videos there, you may see this property, and then you'll be able to know that that is the site I'm referring to. Now this is the borehole that was not properly surveyed. Investment wasted up to 150 meters of nothingness. So whenever you are doing your borehole, you make sure that you do a proper survey is carried out, so that at the end of the day, once a proper survey is carried out, the investment is not going to be a waste. Interestingly, the representative of the client is here. I will not want to show his face. Or do you want us to show your face in the video? We are taking a video of some of our projects and to indicate that borehole drilling starts with good service. So this is Mr. Oniyide. You can see his face. He's the representative of the customer, and that he brought us in here. We did a good job, but certainly this first one was a failed project because the survey was not properly done. Whereas the second site I had taken you earlier on was a success, became a success because the survey was properly done, the drilling was professionally done, and we got a good project. So the customer is happy. Maybe if you want to hear his testimony, let's see. Mr. Oniyide, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
So good to talking to you. Can you tell us about your experience on the borehole that we dug for you? I think this was in July.
Yes.
Was it July of 2025?
Yes, that was last year.
Good.
The experience is it's good to have a professional beside you.
Thank you so
Because
much.
that time we did the survey. It's not from their own company then.
Yes.
So the guy just come and do the survey. So at the end of the day, there's no good results. But later when they do their own results, their own survey.
Yes.
So we have a good result. Now water is there, everything is normal. We really appreciate you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and we are glad. We appreciate your patronage and your confirmation of the good job done by Achievers Geotechnical Services. We didn't even know that the customer was going to drop by. I came in here to just do some recording of the work we did, and the fact that the starting point of every successful borehole is competent geological survey or probing, which has been demonstrated, and you can see that the customer is happy. Thanks so much. For more of our videos, you can go to our YouTube channel. You see a lot of the works there, and probably this particular one, the day we dug it in 2025. Thank you so much for your attention. Bye bye.